How to fix something went wrong, try again on Google Play Store. To do that, what you should do is, first of all, go on the settings of your device. After you go on the settings of your device, scroll down and click on the option of App Management. And after clicking on this option, you can simply go and search for your Google Play Store. Scroll down and here is my Google Play Store. When I tap on it, what you should do is, you should force stop your Google Play Store and uninstall all the updates on your Google Play Store. So after you uninstall all the updates on your Google Play Store, just go back and go on Google Play Services. And from here, you can force stop and uninstall all the updates here as well. And what you can do here is go on Storage Users. After going on the Storage Users, you can click on Manage Spaces and delete the apps, whatever you want to delete, and clear all the cache from here as well. Again, go back and back. Now search for the Download Manager. Scroll down and down. So here is my Download Manager. When I tap on this, what I should do is force stop this as well and go on the Story Users and clear the cache and clear all the data as well. Since I don't have to do it, I haven't tapped on it, but you tap on this and clear all the data. And after doing all this, what you can do is simply power off your phone and then restart your phone, and this will solve your problem. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.